Om Jnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
So usually when you go to a place at the conclusion, we ask, have you enjoyed yourself? No, any place, not the Punyakshetra, any place. But we're not going to ask you, have you enjoyed yourself? Because a devotee measures or considers his only happiness is, have I acted in such a way that Krishna will be pleased with my activity? So it's not, our endeavor is not that we shall enjoy ourselves, but we shall act in such a way that Krishna will be happy. Often people come to Punyakshetras, to the holy places, and they very quickly try to visit all the different spots. But we have concentrated more on Shravanam Kirtanam Vishnu, because by Krishna Kirtan all processes of bhakti are automatically affected. Of course, the holy places, they give us more inspiration for bhakti, because the atmosphere is saturated with the bhakti of generations of devotees. And because the Lord Himself has chosen to reside here, it's certainly a very, very sacred place. I made one book on various holy places I visited, called On Pilgrimage in Holy India. In the front of the book I had a picture of Srila Prabhupada with a little writing about him. And someone, at one program, I can't remember where, someone introduced me that I'd visited so many holy places, but in my book I'd written that it's all by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada. But actually that's not what I wrote. I wrote that shelter at the lotus feet of Srila Prabhupada is more valuable than visiting millions of holy places, because his lotus feet are themselves the tirthapad. Bhavadvidha bhagavatas tirtha bhuta swayam prabho tirtha kurvanti tirthani svanta sthena gadabrita. This Yudhishthira Maharaj addressed Mahatma Vidur when Vidur returned from places of pilgrimage, from Tirtha Yatra, when he returned from Tirtha Yatra, that you visited so many holy places, but you yourself, the presence of saints like yourself, they make the holy places pure. So let us always chant the holy names and take shelter at the lotus feet of the Vaishnavas. As you are living in what is now called Tamil Nadu, which is replete with so many Divya Deshams, so we can also visit. But we shouldn't go as ordinary pilgrims go and just go and look and come back. But it's good if we perform kirtan, distribute Srila Prabhupada's books, and in this way serve the Sankirtan mission wherever we go. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare. So, Shubh Yatra. You say that in Tamil? Shubh Yatra means it will be Shubha if we remember Krishna. That we shall do by chanting the names of Krishna. Hare Krishna. Alright. Then, the only thing to say is Po. Hare Krishna.